3 stories tall.
Watch it, bud.
1,000 feet of veins and arteries fed their metabolites, pumping in 50 gallons per minute. Their blood pressure exceeded 2,500 pounds per square inch, giving them 4,000 crushing force in each of their mammoth claws. They could lift
I'll tell him, look at that.
their massive jaws, attaining 15,000 pounds of biting force. To ensure total destruction, each power buster was equipped with 200,000 BTUs of burning power. Once tested, they were then sent out to search for and destroy the alpha mutations before any further riders were killed. Having been built on tight chassis,
He's trying to eat it.
monsters, but also all-terrain vehicles, giving them the ability to go anywhere. They had no problem taking to a brush, finding their prey. Once their enemy was discovered, they would transform and then attack, destroying the menacing mutations. It was long till the creatures were destroyed, and the Power Master's work was done.
Eating the car, dude.
Many years later, a passing freighter anchored near
That's my mom's car.
He was so impressed with his machines that he flew and brought them back to the United States. After months of careful restoration, he took them on tour so that everyone could see these gigantic mechanical marvels. To demonstrate their awesome power without endangering anyone, he decided to have them eat and destroy junk cars. So now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Heather's gonna be so mad.
for Megasaurus.
Heather's coming right back. She'll be so mad. My mom's gonna be so mad at me. Whoa, fire! My mom's gonna be so bad at Why is he
All right, nice seeing you too, man. Take care.
That's cool, right? That's cool. That transforms into a dinosaur. Because that
Now I gotta call Heather and tell her, hey, hey, I was letting you know they're eating the car right now. Colt's gonna want to see that.
It's gonna be so giant, right? Giant. I never seen that before, Mom.
No, me neither. He's not swallowing anything. He's letting everything fall out of his mouth, though.
Pick those up, Bill. Thank you. Watch this, Colt. Look what he's doing.
Yeah, I do. I tell you. Yeah, it can make fire. Look it. It can make fire.
Holy moly.
It makes fire.
I got the whole thing for you guys.
Turn fire on every once in a while.
Yeah, it
It comes out of his mouth. Fire starts. You want that? It doesn't give nightmares. Absolutely.
I'll put this on my YouTube channel.
He's a messy eater too. You see smoke coming out of his teeth when we get ready to light the
Monster Truck fans, if you want to see your special presentation from Derek Taylor Construction, Megasaurus wreck this car in half, you're gonna have to make some mega noise!
does not look happy. Get out of my
Thank you, baby.
Rip that car back. It's my mom's car.
It kind of looks like your mom's car, but it's not your mom's car.
Yeah, it's white like it.
I know, it looks kind of the same, but I promise it's not. Got it. Here, baby, let me fix it.
That was that car. Mom's car got ripped in half. Out comes the fire.
Watch this there.
That's crazy. Like, who made that? Who fabricated this? He's like, you know what I'm
Dude, the
gonna
whole
make?
thing popped out of that little vehicle. It was like a transformer.
Some weirdo with
Yeah.
my uncle makes
Yeah,
this.
Jake was like, look, it's transforming. This was really cool.
Now the monster trucks are just gonna pulverize it.
So weird. The whole deal is weird as hell.
Let's hope they get the dog fired up. That's a big definition of auto dismantling. I guess it raises up like 40 feet in the air too.
I'm like,
And then they just put it out on these shows. Somebody's got a sponsor it down here.
and this is not very forgiving. Everything's in the way.
Well, we got it sealed up pretty good.
Heck yeah, we can. I bought them. We can take them home. You raise your guys' bikes.
As your special presentation from Derek Taylor Construction, Megasaurus goes back into hibernation. One more time, let's give them some mega noise!
Oh, there is a guy in there.
It might be remote.
Because look, it pulled it all back down. I don't know.
Transformer.
I'm saying, like, who's controlling this? You know what I mean?
There's no reason it could be.
No.
Monster Truck fans, don't forget, if you want to be the winner of a special prize, here on Saturday night, you gotta get out your smartphones, get out your tablets, and be sure to like and tag Straight Up Racing and Malicious Monster Truck Tour on Facebook.com. Like and tag our social media pages, comment on our wall, share your photos and videos of tonight's Monster Truck action, and you can be the winner of a special prize. Once again, those social media pages to tag are Straight Up Racing and Malicious Monster Truck Tour on Facebook.com. Also, don't forget, Monster Truck fans, you gotta be sure to stop on by and check out the delicious Monster Truck Tours souvenir stand to get all of your official Monster Truck merchandise, Monster Truck hats, t-shirts,